Hello Techies, welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using MS Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will discuss about get first free row on column from Excel worksheet action. So let's understand first what is the meaning of free row, and after this we will also discuss about first free row on a specific column. So here we can see in this spreadsheet our free row is 12. It means free row means empty row. So I hope you understood about free row. Free row, you can say free row means empty row. So our first free row is 12. Here is the second free row. So our second uh, topic is what is the meaning of first free row on column from Excel spreadsheet. So if you want to check a specific first row on a specific column, that time you can use get first free row on column from Excel worksheet action. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see all the parameter of this action, and after this we will also create the one flow with the help of get first free row on column from Excel worksheet action. So now I am on pad. Let's create a flow. Just click on new flow plus icon to create a new flow here. After this, in flow name section, you can mention your flow name as per your project requirement, like Excel automation, web automation, file and folder automation, and so on. And after this, just click on create button and just wait for a while. Here you can see your flow has been created successfully. Excel web file folder desktop automation. Let me explain about all parameter of get first free row on column from Excel worksheet. So let's first find the action in action panel. Just type here get first free row on column from Excel worksheet. You can see here your action is available under the advanced section. So just drag and drop here, and let me explain about the parameter. And here the first parameter of Excel, this action is Excel instance. Here you can mention as previously open Excel instance, and after this column parameter you can just mention a column name as per your requirement, and this action itself say retrieve the first free row and given the column of the active worksheet. Here you can mention your active worksheet column name. So I hope you understood about get first free row on column from Excel worksheet parameter. So for I have already created a flow for this with the help of get first free row on column from Excel worksheet. Let me explain about this flow. So in this flow I am using launch Excel to open challenge.xls file, and after this I am using get first free row on Excel from Excel worksheet action, and in the parameter of column I am mentioning here column A, and after this I am using display message to display first free row of column A, and after this I am using close Excel to close previously open Excel. So before running this flow, let's see in Excel spreadsheet what is the value of first free row. Here you can see our first free row is 12. So let's close and run the flow and see what is the output of this flow. So I am running this flow. You can see your flow is executing now. Here it is displaying first free row 12. So I hope you understood about all the parameter of get first free row and column from Excel worksheet. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.